Google Lens, the Bixby Vision competitor available on Pixel devices. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Let me start again. Google Lens, the Bixby Vision competitor available on your Android device. If you've clicked on this video, I assume you know what Google Lens is, but if you'd like me to maybe explain or review Google Lens, then subscribe and leave a comment on this video. Okay, let's begin. You'll need Google Photos, which is an amazing app even without Google Lens. It stores all your photos in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about them taking up precious storage. So first of all, you may already have Google Lens. No, not in Google Assistant, that's only on the latest Samsung flagships at the time of making this video, but in Google Photos, after opening a photo. The lens icon may appear at the bottom, so just check for that. Okay, so if it isn't there, then you probably don't have the latest version of the app. So just go onto the Google Play Store and check for any updates. If this hasn't worked, don't worry. I'll link the absolute latest version of Google Photos from APKMirror in the description. That should do it. In the very unlikely event that none of these tips have got Google Lens on your Android, then you could be part of the unfortunate few running older software, older than Android 5 or 6. Otherwise, it's just a matter of time, as Google is actually rolling out Lens on Photos to iOS devices as we speak. Trust me, the experience is definitely worth the wait. Once again, tell me in the comments if you maybe want an overview of Google Lens, and subscribe if you like the video. I'm Felix with TechTecher, and I'll see you later.